I'm pregnant, and that means everything is shifting. My body, my hormones, my sense of time, and my emotions, they can feel like they're not mine at all. It's okay to admit that this is a lot, that I feel anxious sometimes. This isn't weakness, this is awakening. And this lyrical workout is my place to come back to myself, one thought at a time. I'm not here to be perfect, I'm here to feel my way toward alignment, so I can enjoy this wild, sacred, amazing experience as me. Let's begin. Maybe I'm not supposed to be so nervous, but I am. Everything feels bigger, my body, my emotions, my questions. I don't know what I'm allowed to feel. Is it okay to feel scared, to feel joy and panic at the same time? To want this baby more than anything and still be afraid of what's coming. Some days I wake up and I'm thrilled, glowing, they say. Other days I cry because my partner didn't text back quickly enough. And then I cry harder because I think, what's wrong with me? I worry if the baby feels my sadness, if I eat the wrong thing, if I move too much, if I don't sleep enough. Is stress harming us both? I can't tell if these hormones are protecting me or tormenting me, but I wanna find peace. Wouldn't it be nice to feel more grounded? What if I could trust my body more? What if I didn't have to know all the answers right now? What if it's not about perfect nutrition, perfect thoughts, perfect calm, but about genuine presence, even when I'm a little messy? What if this child came through me, not because I'm flawless, but because I'm enough? Even in my doubt, even in my tender chaos, I wanna believe I'm safe, I wanna believe I can feel better. I'm already starting by reaching for calmer thoughts, by choosing to soothe this storm just a little. Okay, I'm not falling apart, I'm just in a powerful shift. This is a lot to carry, emotionally and physically, but maybe that's because it's meant to expand me. Everything makes more sense when I zoom out. Pregnancy isn't a performance, it's a passage, an initiation, and no one crosses it looking tidy or always confident. My body knows ancient things, it's doing what it was made to do. Even when I don't understand it, even when I question it, even when I'm chatting with a computer at midnight because I felt a strange twinge. I'm beginning to notice the moments where I am okay, like when I eat slowly and feel nourished, or when I rest my hand on my belly and remember there's a little soul in here and we're in this together. There's something beautiful about how quiet the world becomes when I stop pushing and start listening, not to the noise, but to the inner rhythms that are starting to rise in me. I'm not alone in this. Even when I'm by myself, I feel the support of every other woman who has walked this road. They didn't all feel brave, but they became it, one breath at a time, and so can I. I think I'm actually beginning to enjoy this. Not every moment, no, but more and more I find little things that feel right. Like when I feel that first flutter and realize you're really in there. You're growing, you're listening, you're becoming. There's magic here in my belly, yes, but also in the way I'm starting to speak to myself. The way I slow down without guilt, the way I savor the quiet moments like little gifts I didn't know I needed. Maybe I don't have to be prepared for everything. Maybe my calm is more important than any checklist. And when I pause long enough, I feel it. A soft knowing, a whisper, I can do this. What if my body has known the way all along? What if the love I'm learning to give myself is the most important preparation of all? I'm starting to understand the pieces in a finish line. It's a practice, one that begins right here with this next breath, with how I choose to think, how I decide to feel, how I soften the pressure and invite presence. I don't have to be the perfect mother to be, I just have to be me. Open, loving, learning, and that might be more than enough. Maybe I'll look back on this and smile, not because it was easy, but because it was sacred. Maybe I'll remember how much I grew, not just a baby, but a deeper version of myself. And what if that version already knows how to love, how to trust, how to welcome what's next? You know, the more I live through this, the more I see I was made for this. Not because I'm strong every day, but because my strength rises in response to what matters. This journey is revealing me to myself. I'm not just carrying a child, I'm carrying a new version of me, and I can feel her growing day by day. I used to think my body had to be managed, fixed, corrected. Now I see it's been working with me all along. It's not a mystery I have to solve, it's a miracle I get to trust. There's wisdom in every stretch mark, every mood swing, every moment of stillness, because all of it is part of creation, and I am creation. I am nature unfolding in real time. What if I've never been more connected to life than I am right now? What if this child chose me not for what I know, but for who I'm becoming? I can feel the fear falling away, not because everything is guaranteed, but because I finally believe in something bigger than fear. I believe in the quiet bond I already have with this baby. I have this knowing. I believe in the intelligence of my body, how it breathes, expands, protects, nourishes without being told. I believe in the timing of it all, this moment, this life, this soul. None of it is an accident, and I believe in me, not just the version that glows on good days, but the one who breaks down and still shows up with love, the one who keeps going. Everything and lets it shape her into more. I am not broken, I am breaking open. This body's not struggling, it's transforming. This baby is not just growing, it's teaching me how to trust again. And you know what I do, I trust the process, I trust this child, I trust this version of me, walking toward birth, not with fear, but with faith. I didn't expect this feeling, not after everything, the fear, the overthinking, the exhaustion. But something shifted quietly at first, then suddenly it was like, wait, I want this, I can do this, I'm even excited. It caught me by surprise, this joy. It wasn't pushed, it arrived. Maybe because I stopped bracing, maybe because I finally listened to the deeper rhythm. I started noticing the grace in the way my breath changes when I sing to my belly, in the stillness that comes when I rest my hand over that little kick. In the softness of my heart, how much more it holds now. And one morning I just know this isn't random, this isn't chaos, this is divine orchestration. I'm part of something sacred. I always am. I'm not just a body doing a job, I'm a living, breathing miracle in motion, a co-creator with life itself. What if my womb is a sacred doorway? What if this baby chose to enter the world through me? Because my love is strong enough to guide them through. That thought makes me laugh and cry at the same time, because, wow, I said yes. Even in doubt, even in discomfort, even in all the unknowns, I said yes to myself. And what if that's enough to unlock everything, enough to be supported, seen, protected by something bigger? Call it source, God, spirit, nature. I can feel it now, circling me and this child, saying, go ahead, we've got you. I wanna dance with this moment, to welcome this birth, not with fear, but with fire, with humor, with reverence, with wide open arms. Yes, I've cried, but now I laugh with the stars in this baby, this soul. I feel them responding. We're already talking, already choosing joy together. They're saying, I knew you could do this. And I whisper back, so did I. Let this be a sacred arrival. Let me look back and say, that's when I stepped into my power. That's when I became not just a mother, but a mirror of divine love in motion. I trust my body, I trust my baby, I trust the divine intelligence that designed it all. I was made for this, and it feels so good to know it. I've just taken my body, my mind, and my baby through a vibrational realignment. Each time I do this, I teach my mind safety. I remind my spirit that I'm already connected, already enough. I'll come back here anytime. I'll save this video. I'll play this on my walks. I'll whisper it to my belly. I'll let myself feel it over and over until it's not just words, it's my reality. I'm not just preparing for birth, I'm preparing for a new kind of power. And it's already
To find a better feeling.